Ever wondered when Hmong people started dancing? Although we are also unsure, we believe that a long time ago we would garden in the hills of Southeast Asia, and that's all we did. Garden, take care of animals, and take care of the motherland. Once in a very, very long while, some young Hmong would sit by the fireside, hold hands, and do a little ring around the rosy like dance, minus the falling, of course. The next style of movement we can consider as dance is the haiku tia form. You simply stand, stare into the distance, and sway your shoulders back and forth while singing a traditional Hmong song. We can't forget the ultimate dance of dances throughout Hmong history, the qing dance. The qing is a traditional Hmong instrument used during ceremonies, rituals, and for entertainment. The qing, according to legend, is said to have been created when a talented young Hmong man conquered 7 kingdoms and gained 7 wives. When the wives met one another, they were angered, all claiming the man to be their husband. The god of heaven ordered them to create something that would speak. Each woman came back with a bamboo reed of different lengths. The god of heaven put them together and created the qing we have today. The qing dance may symbolize guidance of the spirit into the spiritual world during funerals. Although the qing dance has a spiritualistic meaning behind it, modern day, many young qing players have integrated extreme qing dance moves into their routines. The next dance comes from strong influences from Laotian and Thai cultures. This dance is called the salavan. There are many styles of salavan. There is the classic inverted hula, the regular hula, and of course the kneading rice. What's tricky is that you must incorporate these moves along with a foot move called the bounce walk. The extremist of this dance is the Thialong portion, in which Ludacris has brought to American radios in the form of How Low Can You Go? When the Hmong came to the United States, the first form of dancing we can recall is the classical Hmong dance. This dance was seen at New Year celebrations and kick-started the trend of Hmong dance competitions. Not long after the 1990s, a group of friends formed a band that followed the American boy band rage and snowballed into one of the most common places to meet at Hmong New Year's and tournaments. Your friend would call you and say, "Hey, I'm carrying a yellow umbrella. I'm at the blank stand. Meet me at the blank balloon." This band garnered much attention. Their music was heard throughout Hmong radio stations across the USA. P-A-R-A-D-I-S-E, Paradise. Give it up.
So fine, I wanna get to know you.
but are not limited to Thai dance, Chinese dance, and Indian dance. These styles have been incorporated into Hmong dance and are often seen at Hmong New Year performances. Most of these styles are learned through media such as pilot courts and Bollywood films, and are performed not only as a tribute to these cultures, but also as a recognition of entertainment dance.
शर्मा That's right, folks. Keep it going one more time for replay. Hassa. Dance crew.